Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's gonna be a different video. So my best friend picks my makeup. So yeah, she picks what makeup that I use in my face right now. So if you want to see how I did this look and how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Sige ha, sige. Unsa man ni? Wait lang. Ako primer. Ay foundation day. Asa imong gusto ani na ko gamiton? Maybelline Physicians Formula.
Too Faced.
Too Faced? Okay. Too Faced here. There's a Too Faced. Okay. So she picked the Too Faced. Okay, we're gonna use the Too Faced. So mag-primer sa ako. Unsa man ang primer?
Primer kay Fenty.
Okay. Okay, Fenty primer. And then next one is concealer. I have Fenty
Concealer kay kanang
na KKW na ay mga Tarte. Okay, Tarte concealer man OG. Sige, Tarte here. So she picked Tarte for the concealer and Fenty for the primer. Asa tong Maybelline. I have here. Asa mo tong kuan ni? Chido. Ansa man imong gusto?
Fenty.
Fenty. Okay, Fenty.
Fenty.
Okay, so she picks this one, guys. So she picked Milani. Wait. Unsa? Okay, you don't like the Milani? Unsa man? Unsa man? So nasa di ko under those of colors. Kani?
Kana.
Why you like the packaging?
Oh, unsa na?
Those of colors. Sige, we'll pick this one. So she picked those of colors instead. Unsa man ang for bronzer? Ay. Ang blushes kay Bretman dayon unsa man ang kaning bronzer.
Yes.
Wait, let me put you over here.
Bronzer.
Naay ko anbi. Wait, I'll describe it to you. So I have affordable ones. And I have the Maybelline one. Hold on. Struggle ba ani we?
Kuan ay kay man ako.
Which one?
Kanang Jaclyn Hill.
Jaclyn Hill. Thank you so much. Naay Kylie. Of course, naay Maybelline here. Naay
Super Stain Maybelline.
Okay, which unsa man nga shade?
Kanang laas kanang
Tunga?
right. Kana no.
Kani?
Kana.
O kani?
Kana.
Okay.
Yes.
So she picks this one for lipstick. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows as usual and set my eyebrows with the e.l.f. since she chose the e.l.f. eyebrow gel and then the
for
Anastasia
set sa akong eyebrows unsa man kanang duha e.l.f. or
as you can see in
kani
the video, and I will try to insert more videos in the side.
e.l.f. Okay,
So you'll hear us talking. And I use my Morphe brush for this for my pomade. Yeah, this is like the Morphe brush. So anyway, let's start with since I already moisturized my face, let's start with the primer. She chose the Fenty Beauty primer, and I know I have a combination skin, but since it's winter, it's kind of like my skin is getting more drier and drier, and especially my lips. So I just literally put this baby lips crystal from the Maybelline. I purchased this yesterday when I went to Walmart. I was planning to vlog yesterday, but I'm just in that space, like I don't want to film, like I don't know, just I'm not feeling good at all. So but today's another day, so I'm trying to film this. So like I said, this is the Fenty Beauty primer. She knows me so well, so I'm gonna try to use this. I'm just gonna apply it with sponge, not sponge but brush. Okay, so I'll just use the Luxie Duo Fiber powder brush to put this primer on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna start my face since she wants me to do this peachy kind of look. I don't know why, but she just want me to do this peachy kind of look. And then, yeah, I'll just do the eyes later. So with the face, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation since she picked this foundation. Like I said, she knows me so much. So she picked this foundation. So I'm just gonna apply this foundation all over my face. So I'm gonna use my Morphe sponge. I'm gonna use my Morphe sponge to blend that out. So anyway, I remember we were in I went to IAU, Indiana Aerospace University in Cebu. It's just it's in Lapu-Lapu. I didn't know that the university existed. Like, I literally don't know, because backstory, long story short, when I graded high school, the first university I went is UV, University of Visayas, where I took I believe HRM, and I only went there for like 6 months and then I stopped college. I think my mother is already sick, and you know, she needed more attention and, you know, like money wise, so I kind of like stopped going to high school in college. So I kind of like focused and I went to Bohol, which is in province. So anyway, long story short, and then my aunt Bibi, who provide for us, she helped me, she paid for my tuition at Indiana. She wants me to be a, whatchamacallit, a nurse. That's not new, you guys. Every Filipino mother or aunt wants their niece to be a nurse or like a doctor. That's not even shocking anymore. So I'm just like, no, I don't want to be a nurse. Like, it's like, yeah, but you know, if you're gonna be here in America, you're gonna be, you know, paying, they're gonna be paying a lot. But like, I literally have no whatchamacallit, I just don't like being a nurse or like doctor or even in a medical field, period. Like, I just don't like, I don't have the feeling about it. I told her like, no, I don't want to be a nurse. Like, no, I just don't want to be a nurse. Like, you know, I was like teenager, like I don't know what like to do. Like, I literally don't know what to do in my life. Like, and then my aunt wants me to be a nurse so bad, but I keep telling her, thank God, I told her like, you know, I want to be a, whatchamacallit, I want to be a flight attendant, or at least a bachelor of, whatchamacallit, tourism. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, I want to be a tourism. And then this school that I want is University of San Carlos, which is kind of like a famous school in Cebu, if you put that way. So yeah, I want to be I want to go there to school because most of my classmates in high school went there, and I think it was like the USJ. So it's like mainly in the Cebu City, which is like, you know, the party, stuff like that. So yeah, and then I didn't, and she told me like, okay, I already enrolled you at the IAU. I'm just like, where is IAU? Like, what is IAU? I'm just like, it's in Lapu-Lapu. I'm just like, and I thought it was just like a public college, which, you know, I don't know, my 16 17 years old slave, I'll just like want to slap her in the face. So it's just like, what is that? Like, what kind of school is that? I don't even know that, but like, I don't even know that school exists. I'm just like, you know, just go to school. It doesn't matter what school you go in, as long as you go to school. I'm just like, alright. So I went there, check on the school, and you know, get the papers and everything. So, okay, for concealer, she chooses the Tarte. I'm just gonna apply this concealer. I've been sleeping with this concealer because, you know, I've been using the Too Faced concealer. So thank God she chooses this because I've been sleeping with this concealer. So just apply this concealer. Anyway, so I met her, like I said, in Indiana. She is, let me see, we started hanging out when I think I was the one who tried to say hi or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna ask her because I totally forgot about it. It's been like 4 or 5 years. So anyway, I started noticing her because this bitch it's like she goes to school with this bitch face, like she don't want to be there, like she don't want to be there. And I'm just like, is like she's always late. She don't want to go to school, like she just don't want to be in the class. And oh my god, do I look so bright in the viewfinder? Okay, so anyway, hold on, let me just blend this concealer. Want to be in school. And I remember, I think I reached out to her, or like I think I say hi, like I said, because my group, my friends over there, it was just like this. I don't even remember their name, but yeah, I have like few friends at school, and I have also gay friends at school. And then I kind of, like I said earlier, I kind of started noticing her, like she's always sits in the back. This bitch always sits in like in the back, close to the door. And then, you know, I started saying, I think we started hanging out. I just like totally forgot. And then we became close friends. And then we started hanging out together. And then she became like my best friend. And then it's just we have this kind of like, I call it like family. And we have this like Kuya Nino, her, who else? Bobby. I'll try to insert a picture of us. And who else? Jamar, Johnson, but yeah, Neil and Charles. So that's, I become close friends to her. Let me just apply this cream contour, which you choose the Makeup Revolution. As this is gonna be a long hold on, so let me just apply this one. Okay guys, so for the powder, she chooses the butter powder, and this is the first time I'm so totally surprised that she chooses this powder. This is, and then I'm kind of like thankful since she chooses this so I can test it out. This is the Fenty Beauty translucent powder in the shade Butter. You put it over there. Look at this packaging, you guys. Can we take a moment with this packaging? So anyways, so this is the shade Butter, and this is gonna be the first time, like I said. And then ooh, okay, so I want to try to set under my eyes as soon as possible because okay, that is way too light. Oh my god. Ah, I can't explain the smell, but it smells good. Now I'm gonna use my Real Technique. This is the, what brush is this? Powder brush. To kind of like, I don't want to bake too much since it's winter and my skin is getting more dry. So I don't want to bake too much. So I just want to just dust off the powder and the excess. That's actually good. It's kind of like, I'm not even kidding guys, but what the, okay, it's giving me like a flawless, especially under here. I normally have a problem here, but if I use my Laura Mercier, I don't have that problem. It's giving me like kind of like my problems, neighbors problems, the world problems disappear. So right here it's pretty, so it looks really good. I'm not even kidding. Wow. Okay, Auntie Rihanna is here. By the way, she chooses the butter bronzer. And then we started hanging out, and then like I said, we became close friends. And then like we eat together, we go on a lunch break together, sometimes we skip class together. I don't know how many times, but we did. I'm sorry, Aunt. And then yeah, we used to hang out if it's like lunch, if we have like a break vacant in our class. We have like an hour or two vacant in our class, and we don't know what to do because we get easily bored. So we always hang out, and then we go to this place. Well, we call it like Nanai's place. That's like our spot, like hiding spot. And then we just hang there and just kind of like talk to Nana. Nana is like she sell like foods, like little foods. So especially in the canteen, they're so expensive, you guys. Like eating inside the college or like the university's canteen is so expensive. So I'm just like, I don't mind eating because it's clean, and I know it's clean. And then she start bragging. She's like, no, don't go there, like it's much better to we have to go to the Nana's place. And I'm just like, all right. So and then I started liking it, and we have like that's like our spot. We sometimes take naps over there because it's like the wind, and it has like this a lot of trees. So we hide over there, and then we just become really, really, really close friends. We've been to the bad, the ugly, the good, and like I'm telling you, like everything. Like I now I'm starting to remember. It's just like I really miss her. And we, like, you guys, we communicate almost every day. Like almost every day. Like we hang out together. We go sometimes. If we don't hang out at Nana's place because some students hang out there too, and then we really get like annoyed and we don't want to be bothered. So her house is really close to the school, so we just like, I think it was like one tricycle away. So we go to her house. They have pool, and then we just go there and eat, and I became close to her family and her mom. And yeah, we started I like it because this bitch live in a mansion, low-key live in a mansion. So yeah, we became close friends, and then I started just hanging out over there, and we swim in the pool, in their pool, because they have like a big pool. And then they have yeah, she drinks a lot. Also, but yeah, she drinks a lot. Yeah, with the Jack and everything, that she will she is the type of drink, like she will drink anything, like any type of drink, like I don't know, but she just drinks anything, especially Jack Daniels. That's her favorite. For blush, she chooses this ColourPop blush. Oh, she's blushing. This is in a collaboration with Bretman Rock. Right there is pretty bright reddish pinkish, something like that, as you can see. So I'm gonna apply this as a blush, and I'm going to be using my Raw Techniques blush brush. And then this is the first time that I'm gonna use this blush, so let's see and hope it's that. Okay. It's giving me like a fresh rosy cheeks vibe, so that's cute. So like I said, this is in the shade Oh She's Blushing, from collaboration with Bretman Rock and ColourPop. And then moving on, hold on, I wanna do this curve my, hold on. There. And now I am gonna dust that off after I put the blush. Anyway, no, the highlight. So highlight, where's the highlight? Oh, this is right here, the Dose of Color. So she chose the Milani first, as you can see in the video. And then when she saw this, she was like, she chooses this one, which is this, a Dose of Colors, in collaboration with Desi and X Katie. So you know what, let me just, before putting highlight, I'm gonna do the eyes. So I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in 3, 2, 1, kind of close. So anyway, so she chooses the Jaclyn Hill palette, right there. And I think I just uses this palette, like I said, because I haven't played with this palette. I haven't even touched or at least say hi to this palette. So this is it right there. That's the palette. And like I said, she told me she wants me to do like a peachy, just kind of like freshy vibe. So peachy. I didn't even see pink in here. So I'm gonna try to do it. I want it simple because in the next 20 minutes my husband and I are going somewhere. So I'm just gonna try to take this shade. I don't know what I'm going for, but I'm gonna try shade. What is this? Butter. Okay, this shade Butter right here. That one right there. I will take her. Try Butter. And then put Butter all over in my crease. And then me and Mariela, you guys, we used to kind of like explore. We're the type of person like we get so bored easily, and we like exploring things like new restaurant or new coffee stores, stuff like that. We went to this bucket of shrimp, and then we tried them out, and then long story short, we got lost, and it was just so funny for the both of us. For the sake of shrimp, like we literally try to hunt down like that place. So but then thank God we found it, and we were just like having fun, and we ate over there. And then most of the times me and her, there's just like random, it's not even in school, there's like random days that around 12 a.m. or around 2 a.m. or even around 3 a.m. in the morning that we misses each other, and we just want to see each other, knowing for the fact we see each other out almost every day, like every day. Yeah, that's how our bond gets stronger. So yeah, for the sake of that, and then we crave so much food, like from ramen to kwek kwek to her favorite street food, you guys, is kwek kwek. Yeah, my favorite one is balut. That's like my favorite. And then we go to mercado, like the dirty market, we call it dirty market, and we go there to get kwek kwek. And then yeah, so we just like literally bond and eat, and then you know we hang out with other circle of friends, mostly like the guys, you know, we like drink and just like play music, like, you know, just laid back. Then that's really how our friendship gets stronger. It's like, you know, there's like times that we don't, you know, we don't agree with each other, but it's like we just like laugh at it. And then I'm the type of friend, which she knows this, that if she hangs out with her friend, I get so jealous. Like I feel like she don't like me anymore. That's in my mindset. I'm just like, okay, hang out with your friend. You don't. It's like you hang out with your friend and you don't hang out with me. It's just like whatever. Don't text me. Don't even say hi to me. That's just like me. I'm just like, I'm so clingy with my friends, and it's not even. I don't know. It's kind of like bizarre for me. Like I'm so clingy with my friends. Let me just blend this out so we can be over it, okay? So I'm gonna try to blend this out. And then this is what I came up. So okay, I'm gonna show you what I did. So I mixed the shade Butter and Cream Cycle, these two right here, them two. And then I also used the shade, I believe it's Hunt, this kind of like bright reddish orange shade. So that's what I'm gonna do, is mix the Butter and Cream Cycle together. So anyway, she's always there when I needed her the most, and if I have problems in my life, if I have some issues with family or friends, something like that, she's there. She's always there, and she's always down to listen. Like she will never say no to you. Like that's the type of friend she is. And then yeah, we're there for each other if she have, you know, if she have problems with the family, and she just wanna, you know, like get out and just like, you know, don't want to stay in her house. Like, I'm always there for her. Like, there's times that we don't have even if we don't go out, like we just like chill at her house and you know, talk about like our goals in life and, you know, boyfriend problems before, stuff like that. So let's just blend it. Hunts, I'm blending the shade Hunts together with the butter and cream circle. Yeah, I have like tough problems in life, she's always there. And then I'm gonna also put in that lid, I put the shade Obsessed, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna use my finger to use that one. Put Obsessed in my lid because I think it's more pigmented if I put it in my finger than putting a brush. I'm gonna try to blend it with a brush, but probably later on. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. I don't know if this is the one that she likes, but I'm trying. Okay. So now for the, oh, I gotta dust this off. Hold on. For the lashes, so I want to try this new lashes, you guys, that I got from Shop Miss A. Hold on, let me grab it. So I have this 3D Fall Mink. I have the 3 of them. I have this, not the shade, I have the name Jean. That's Jean right there. And then this is Ilidia. And this is Brianna. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's Brianna. So I want to try. Ooh, Jean is so dramatic. So I'm gonna let her side. I want to just try Brianna. She's like this one right here. Hold on, let me show you guys. Right there, that's Brianna. So I'm gonna use Brianna. Let me just try these on my, let me just put this one and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, this is with the lashes and without the lashes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to hurry up because my husband and I are going somewhere. So I gotta put this Unleash lash just to kind of like combine them on my fake lashes. For highlight, I will be using the, where is that? Yeah, the Dose of Colors highlight. But before that, I'm gonna spray with my Morphe setting spray since this is the one that she chose. Like I said, she knows me so much. Okay, and then before applying highlighter, I want to spray as well my brush with the Morphe setting spray. So see, ooh girl, look at this highlight. Put it under like the bridge of my nose right there. Is it recording? Okay, I'm still recording. Right there. Okay, moving on. Wait. I think I'm done. Okay, I just gotta set this with the Morphe setting spray. Oh, I'm not done yet. Hold on. And then for my inner corner, I'm gonna use the same highlighter as well. So, and for the lips, so she chooses the Maybelline Super Matte Ink lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Driver, and then she also chooses the KKW Beauty lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips first. Before that, I'm gonna try to put another lip balm because my lips is so dry. So I'm gonna try to line my lips with the KKW lip liner, the classic icon lip liner. So let's see. And then I'm gonna put the Driver. She's kind of like nude. So let's see. It just matches my look. It's actually kind of good. I have like kind of like peachy orangey vibe in my eyes, and I have like a nude lip. Girl, she know me. Okay, another spray before I go. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the final look. She really did good because most of these products is like my OG favorite, and most of this product that she chooses like new, like the blush from Bretman Rock and also the powder, and most of like the product that she chooses is like that I've been sleeping on. So thank God that she picks that up, so I use it on this look right now. As you can see, she kind of like did good because she told me she wants like a peachy vibe, but since the Jaclyn Hill palette don't really have the pink color. Okay, so I really gotta go, so I gotta wrap this up. So yeah, so this is the final look, and hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comment section down below who's next to pick up my my makeup. If probably my husband, my sister. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will surely do it. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm almost 600 subscribers, you guys. So by the way, I will be giving away makeup soon, and also the 300 load peso giveaway. So tune in, stay tuned with that. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.